Hey guys, so today is Friday and I have an audition on Saturday. Yeah, on Saturday, and I thought I'd go like a day earlier to visit my friend and spend the day there. So this is, I don't know if I'm like showing all of me, but this is today's outfit. Everything is thrifted. By the way, since I moved to university out of my parents' house, all of my clothes are being thrifted because I cannot afford to actually buy an actual brand. So that's that. The bus is in half an hour, so let's pack it up.
Sarah runs to feel the burning in her lungs. Clear her head. Do you know what Sarah meant when she said you be my guest?
To keep the faith, to save your faith, you'll never make the place. Why do you even run away? Connecting with my Pookie after a while.
Doesn't show, it's look.
I wanted to journal. I didn't have a pen, which is like this. What is it?
Dramatic.
I need the pencil to mark things. The shooting that you ruined for the shooting. You were so annoying.
You ruined it for them. You're the one
I walked. They were shooting the side very bad.
No, they were shooting.
You cannot gaslight me about
Wallah, العظيم they were
She's like, and they were shooting the side of you. That's why I walked on the.
You're trying to gaslight me. I don't know.
I saw the camera.
You're the one who went. They were filming the guy. They were filming him, and he's like this, and you went with them. I went the other way. They're filming the guy. They're not filming the. You're insane. I am on my way to the casting. I've already checked out of the hostel. It was pretty nice, the hostel, to be honest. And I met someone cool from Canada, and he was coming to Bandung, but I forgot to take his socials to meet with him again. So that is that. I'm supposed to be meeting with Julian, but my SIM card is blocked. I cannot subscribe to the internet, so I think I'm gonna have to wing it. I think we have to go inside.
So today we're doing.
We just finished.
Yeah. I got free t-shirt. Yes.
Love you always. Yeah, I know that you're lonely. Yeah, I'm gone, but I know it's still homely. Yeah, all the things that you only told me.
So there's a break, but on the stage I feel like I forgot everything. My mind went.
Keep hoping, yeah. Keep loving, keep loving.
6 a.m. Today is Diko's birthday. And we're going on a hike. Your first thought might be, oh, you're gonna get water because you're going on a hike. Well, no. I'm gonna get chocolate milk because chocolate is just better, what can I tell you?
I think my plan worked because I'm not sleepy anymore.
You have the sleepy in this environment.
Yeah. So now my sleeping schedule is gonna be fire again.
It's like an angel, but it looks like me, oh Lord. What if I be God? I'm a faith, so God, I'm my father's son. I'm not.
Tarazan.